But do you remember when we used to have like VHS tapes, or even I think even now at the beginning of video games, like when you load a video game into your PlayStation or whatever, or you load your movie, there's usually an FBI screen that pops up. There's an FBI screen with the logo, and it tells you about how, there's the FBI warning telling you about copyright violations, and I think it even says that each copyright violation is a $10,000 fine, and so on and so forth. So one of the things that was told to me when I was doing this work is that it's not that they're warning you about the copyright violation. It's that they're causing a copyright violation. Because what ends up happening is, how they have that logo? That logo is a trademark. Even though it's the FBI logo, that logo is a trademark. It's a copyrighted logo. So if you pirate something that has that logo, it gives the ability for the federal government to go after you, not for the game's copyright, but for their own copyright. So the gaming company will come after you on a civil charge, right? Because you violated their intellectual property. But the government can come after you because of the FBI logo. So a lot of people don't realize that that logo there is for the copyright violation. It's not just a warning. It's so that they know that every piece of media out there can potentially be prosecuted by the FBI because you also violated the FBI's trademark and logo. So that's what this kind of reminded me of, where newspapers can kind of start doing that in some way, where they can start including their own newspaper name or their corporate name or whatever it might be, different things that say, well, here, this proves that you violated my copyright because you copied this, this, and this.